Hello class. In this video, I just want uh, to to explain a little bit what is the grades that you probably saw in your D12 in the course in D12. So if you check your grades, okay, probably what you have seen is a window that is pretty similar to this one. Okay, so I update the grades already because, well, the deadline for the sectional test was yesterday, and I also graded all the sectional tests together with the other assignments. Okay, what are you looking at your grades? You're looking at your grades the following. The homework number 1 that covers section 2.1 to 2.7. Okay, the maximum amount of points for that homework is 6. So whatever the number you're gonna see here is your score based on MyLab Math. Okay, the quiz number 1 corresponding to section 2.1 and 2.7, and the maximum point for that quiz is 3 points. So this is the score. What you're going to see here is going to be over 3. That is the maximum point that you may have. As you know, for every quiz, well, we have only one quiz at this moment. We have 2 attempts. What I'm doing in MyLab Math, the setting that I put in MyLab Math is that from the 2 attempts, I'm getting the highest one. Okay, so for instance, if your first one was the highest score and you made a second attempt that was lower, well, I'm gonna take the first one. Okay, the other grade that you're gonna see is your sectional test, the ones that you took between this Friday and yesterday, Saturday. Okay, so I grade already. I also made all the comments and feedback in that show work question. I hope that you were able to read those comments. And the maximum amount of points that you might see in theirs are 10 points. Okay? The other are bonus points. We're gonna have 10 bonus points in this course. Okay? So the only ones that I posted already was the ODR assignment for those of you that retrieve the ODR assignment, and I know that everybody submit the ODR assignment. Everybody should have 2 points. Okay? There is a second one that has been posted, but is still pending because the deadline is for August 3. Okay? In your grades, you're gonna see here 0, but don't worry because on August 3, I'm going to review the assignment and you're gonna get your score. So up to now, what we have is 6 plus 3 por 10 plus 10 por plus 2. Okay, so all of these made 21 points. This is the amount of points that we have graded at this moment. Even though if you have here 2 more points, or you might see some percentage, that percentage is going to be calculated over 23 because I'm adding this point, but those points doesn't count at this moment. So whatever amount of points that you have is going to be graded over 21 at this moment. So if you want to compute a percentage of your performance, that percentage is going to be 21 points. What is the meaning of that? That 21 points is going to be 100%. So whatever is the addition of all this number divided by 21 and multiplied by 100 is your current performance. Okay, so this is what I want to tell you regarding the grades that you have at this moment. Now, when we finish module number 2, that we are about to finish module number 2, then, we have one more week for module number 2, then we're going to make exactly the same. I'm going to download your grades for the assignments of module number 2. That includes the homeworks and assignments. We're going to make the sectional test, and we are going to add all the points. So I'm going to update again that one, but we need to wait until we get done with the second sectional test. For the moment, we have all your grades regarding, module number 1. So in here, the board discussion, okay, don't take into account these 2 points for your performance, okay, because this homework is still open until August number 3, or August 3, okay? Well, this is all what I want to tell you. Have a good night, and tomorrow we're gonna have the second half of module number 2. Thank you.